Aileen from AileenCooks.com again. I just wanted to hop on and share our Parent Command Center with you. So before we get started, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. So to get started, the calendar that we have, I found at the Target Dollar Spot. It is a paper calendar with multiple months. I prefer this over a white erase calendar because I like to plan months and months in ahead. We already have camping trips on here for May, family birthdays, all of those things that I want on this paper calendar so I can jump ahead right then and there and check and see what's happening. So paper calendar for us, this was $2 or $3 at the Dollar Spot, but you can also find them on Amazon. The next thing we have is our grocery list, and you'll see this is in a frame. I got these white frames for I believe $3 at Walmart. I'm going to link below to the blog post on this, and in there is a link to the printables. I did not make this printable, I got it from another blogger, so I'll go ahead and link to their post in my post. So what I do is I use a wet erase marker so that you can erase it with wet, but it doesn't erase with dry. And that way you're not smudging it and erasing your list. That's like my favorite thing. Or you can just spray it with Windex and wipe it down, or use a wet wipe. That's what I usually use, as a wet wipe. So this is our grocery list. So I just have it hanging on a hook here. The other thing that I have in a frame with glass is our meal plan. This is Sunday through Monday, or Sunday through Saturday. So I just plan it out. It's also wet erase written on the glass, and then I can just wipe it off as needed. And a lot of times I'll write my meal plan and then I'll switch it up. Like tonight is Thursday, it says out. We're probably gonna eat at home actually tonight. And yesterday it says leftovers, but we actually had the sweet and sour chicken because I didn't get to it on Tuesday because we had a baseball meeting. So it's easy to just have something. Now I know I have the ingredients for all of these. I can switch it around as needed, but it's really nice to have it in writing so you can look at it and say, okay, I'm gonna make this for dinner. I need to pull this meat out or whatever it is. So this is awesome, and I love keeping them in these super cheap frames. It's like perfect. So the next thing I have are my pens, my wet erase markers, and everything in one place in mason jars, and I got these little clamps for $1 in the hardware section, and they're just attached by a nail. So here we have pay, file. These are from Pottery Barn. It's a whole set. It's their organizational set, which I'll also link in the comments. And it's got a cute little shelf to hang our keys, which I love. So that's it for our Command Center. I'd love to hear how you make your Command Center work for you and what you have added to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.